Hello to everyone. I hope you will be good and you had a good trade in the forex market. Today I want to show one indicator, free indicator from Mr. Carl Ditzman, who make several indicator as a free or business indicator, and you can download all of them in the DGS Store 24 site, dgsstore24.com, and you use in your MetaTrader 4, because all of indicator he made use in the MetaTrader 4 for forex or for currency, power currency. Okay, today this indicator name is GG Trend Brand. You can download this indicator from address I will tell you, and I will put it under description this video, goldenrebate.com. You can download free from there in the download part. I description this indicator for you a little, and how you can set up this indicator in your MetaTrader 4. Only you can use this in MetaTrader 4 because this is only for MetaTrader 4, not for MetaTrader 5. Okay, for setup, you can use this instruction they write here, but also I will tell you how you can do it. First of all, you should open MetaTrader 4. After that, you will go to the folder option. After that, you should find MQL4, and after that indicator part, and after that you should paste this MetaTrader GG trend bar in that part, and after that reset your MetaTrader, and you will see this MetaTrader in indicator part, and you can use it. Okay, we first of all we do it. After that we back to this PDF for continued description. We open our MetaTrader. We will go to the file. After that, open data folder. After that, you will find MQL4 here. We open MQL4. After that, indicators. Okay, after that, we paste our indicator here. Before I paste it, and I did it, name is ggtrendbar.ex4. After that, you will come to the MetaTrader. You can close your MetaTrader, or in the indicator part from navigator bar, you can refresh this side, and you will see GG trend bar here. You will see GG trend bar here. Okay, you can use this indicator to all time frame from 1 minute to monthly and all pairs. We come back to our PDF. For using indicator, you will see this indicator in the chart like this picture. In the left side top, you will see several squares. These squares have three colors: green one, yellow one, and red one. What does mean these colors? Red one means indicates a down trade for you. Means if you saw, for example, to this picture in Aussie GPY in 5-minute chart that run this indicator to this chart, and you will and you see in H1 is red one. Red one means the trend is downtrend, but in the H1 means in the time frame 1 hour, every candle is 1 hours is downtrend, these pairs. Green one is indicator and uptrend, and yellow, this indicator show you a sideways trend. Okay, this indicator contains a ADX period in the ADX price, step PSR, max PSR, all these element in the best option. Please don't manipulate or don't change the uh, this option. And next one, we come to the parametric setting that I told you before, and you should obey several law. One of them is, before you use this indicator, you should check the calendar, economic calendar. You can use investing.com site or another site, and you check the that day you want trade. You should check the that day has a uh, powerful news or important news. If you see important news, please don't trade to that time, and after that you can use it uh, in your MetaTrader after that news. Also, you can use, first of all, you can use this indicator in the MetaTrader 4 demo account. After that, you will be okay with this indicator. You can use it in the real account. Also, if you have a question, you can use this email address who made this indicator, and you ask this address, Mr. Carl Dixman, and you contact with him. We back to the MetaTrader. We bring this indicator GG trend bar to our chart, Bitcoin to USD, and in the common part you use allow DLL imports, you tick it, and also allow external expert imports. You should check them, and you don't touch the another, and okay. You will be see in the top several squares, means to this 1 hours, we are in the 1 hours time frame. In 1 hours they told us the chart is sideways, the trend is sideways. As you see the chart is sideways indicator. From this part to this part is sideways. You will be see they moved on the one square only, between two, near to this line. They moved between two lines, is sideways. In D1 daily, you will be see is downtrend, means trend is downtrend. Yes, we will see is downtrend trend. Okay. In the 4 hours also is uptrend. In 4 hours they told trend is uptrend. And in the 15 minutes, if we came to the 15 minutes, we came to the 15 minute, we will see in 15 minutes trend is up. Yeah, trend is up here. Means every top and down, higher high, lower low is showed us trend is up. I hope you use this indicator first in the demo account, after that in the real account. And I'm sorry for my English, because my English is not very good, but I try record this video as an English for you. Have a good day, and good luck in the Forex market.